Good morning, students. Today we are going to study chapter number 3 of Political Science. Name is Democracy and Diversity. When you read these words, democracy and another word, diversity, what you understand? See, democracy, meaning of this word is it's a type of government. What kind of the government it is? Government which is made by the elected representatives. And diversity meaning is kind of the differences. Diversity we see in every country. No country is without that diversity, without the differences. What kind of the differences we see in our country? Differences kind of region, religion, languages, culture, caste and gender. We can understand with the example of our country. We all live in India. We know that lots of diversity prevail in our country. We the people of India belongs to different region. Some people belongs to UP, some people belongs to Maharashtra, some people belongs to Haryana. This is the difference of region. Difference of religion we have. Hindus are living in India, Muslims are living in India, Sikhs living and other more religion people are living in your country. Then we have the difference of languages. You all know that different kind of the languages are spoken by the different people in your country. Our culture is totally different from each other. You know the differences of caste. We all are abided with the different kind of the caste, and then the gender difference we have male female. So these all kind of the differences are accommodated in one word, and that is diversity. सिंपल मीनिंग इसका ये है कि जितनी भी देश में डिफरेंसेस होते हैं, चाहे वो रीजन का है, रिलीजियन का है, लैंग्वेज का है, कल्चर का है या कास्ट का है, इन सब को मिलाकर एक वर्ड में समेटा गया है एंड दैट इज नोन एज डाइवर्सिटी. अब इन दिस चैप्टर वी हैव टू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ दिस सेट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, what is democracy, can accommodate diversity. Students, I want to tell you that democracy is a set of the government which can make maximum people satisfied. In other type of the government like dictatorship, like military government, like monarchy system, it is not possible to give the equal powers, equal status to the citizen. But this can be happen only in this type of the government. So in this chapter only we have to understand कि how democracy satisfy different people, how this kind of the government can accommodate equally the diversity of its nation. हम आज इस चैप्टर में ये जानेंगे कि कैसे एक डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट अपने देश में इतने सारे डिफरेंसेस होते हुए भी, इतने डिफरेंट लोगों के होते हुए भी सक्सेसफुली कैसे चलती हैं. दिस इज द मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ द चैप्टर. एज अवर चैप्टर नंबर 1, व्हाट वाज अवर चैप्टर नंबर 1? कैन यू टेल मी? It was power sharing. Have you remembered that power sharing was started with the story of Belgium and then Sri Lanka? And both of the countries' story was extended in our next chapter, and that chapter was federalism. There I told you about the different type of the federalism, how federalism is practiced in European countries. Then we talk about the India. Again in this chapter we are studying about the democracy and diversity, but this chapter is starting with a very interesting story, and this interesting story starts from 1968. How many of you are aware about the Olympic Games? See, most of the students in our school, they are athletes, they are the players of different games, and I think you all are aware about the Olympic Games. These games, after a particular interval, are organized in different countries, and it was the year of 1968. In this year, this Olympic game was held in Mexico. Have you heard about this country? I know that you have heard about this country in your ninth class. What was the chapter? Can you tell me? Okay, this is one of the topic of the homework. You will tell me in which chapter of the ninth class you heard about this country Mexico. What I can do for you, I can show you Mexico. Can you tell me where Mexico is located in the world? Chalo, I show you. See here. This is North American continent and this is South American continent. Mexico is Latin American country just below USA. See here, United States of America. Just below of USA, Mexico is located here. At the southern side of USA, Mexico is located. So this story starts with the Olympic Games of 1968 of Mexico. What happened in these Olympic Games? That I will tell you in my next video. Wait and watch.